Hey guys, it's Shannon and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another grocery haul for you guys. This is my Kroger. I'm not doing the Dollar General because I ended up only getting 1 or 2 things there. So I'm not going to be showing those because one of them was like chips and they're already gone. And the other was, I can show you the other, it was just soy sauce. So boom. There's that. So I'm going to do like the last time when I did a Kroger haul, where I have my basket beside me instead of setting it all up because I actually just washed dishes. So they are drying behind the camera. So I can't lay my stuff out. But yeah. Also, sorry if you see like the redness in my eye right here. I don't know if you can see it, like where my eye's swollen and stuff. I have another sty. And this one, I've tried the ointment that they always give you. I've tried to pop it myself. I've tried like a warm compress and nothing's helping, and I've had it for like 4 or 5 days now and it's really hurting and it just keeps swelling more. So if you guys have any suggestions of what I can do, please let me know. And yes, I know I should not be wearing makeup, but I only put the only thing I put under my eyes is mascara, and I always make sure I just leave it on these lashes over here. I don't put it anywhere near where the sty is. And there's foundation under there and powder, but I leave it far enough down from my eye that it's not getting in or near my eye. So yeah, and I have to wear makeup. It's a requirement for the cosmetology school I go to, so I can't just be like, oh, I'm not going to wear makeup while I have this sty, because I don't have a choice. If I'm going to school, I gotta have my makeup on. So yeah. Alright, I'm going to start with Pop. I got 1 case of Fresca. This is what my grandma drinks. She's drank this forever, and I'm sure she's going to continue drinking it until the day she dies. It's her favorite, and I don't know which season it. I'm not a big fan, but she drinks it, and it's not that expensive, so I'm like, go for it. Then I got 2 of these Cherry Dr. Pepper 12 packs because this is the Pop that I drank, and they were 3 for $10. So I got 2 Cherry Dr. Pepper, and 1 Fresca because I still had her a Fresca left over from the end of last month to put in the fridge, so I didn't need a second one of that. I already had one at home. So also, before I forget, everything came to $85 with tax. I don't remember the change. I just know it was around $85. So not bad. That wasn't too bad of a price. So then I got this, which I think this is new. I've not seen it before, but it's the Kroger brand of popcorn, and it's kettle corn. And I love kettle corn. And this looked really freaking good, so I thought I'd give it a try. I'm gonna have to hide it, or my grandma's gonna eat it all. But then I got these. Ooh! I threw it on the floor. I got 2 of these for her. I don't eat baked beans, but it's the Bush's country style baked beans. She was begging me for them, so got her 2 cans of those. And then I got a pack of green beans. These were like $1.29 a pound, and mine came to like $1.33, so I guess I had just a smidge over a pound. But it wasn't a bad price, and I've been cooking them the way I saw on one of my HelloFresh meals, and they're super good. I want to do a video, like a cooking video, showing you guys like how I make them. And we just tried this amazing recipe last night from them that I am obsessed with. It tasted so good, and I want to share that one with you too. But then I got this, I don't know how to say that, Mahatma or something. It's jasmine rice. We were supposed to use jasmine rice with the recipe we had last night, but I only had regular rice. It was still good with regular rice, but I wanted to try it with the jasmine. And I really like jasmine rice anyways. I had it with another meal that I had, and it was really good. So then I got her, since I got myself the kettle corn, I got myself the kettle corn, and I got her Cheetos, because she likes Cheetos. Then I got a pack of pecan pieces, however you say it. These are just the Kroger brand. There's about 1.5 cups, and I only need 1 cup for the recipe I'm doing with them. So there's those. Then they have this chicken on sale. So I got some of it. It's Heritage Farm chicken breasts with rib meat, and they're boneless and skinless. And these were $11.14. Normally they're like $2 or $3 per pound, and they had them marked down to $1.99. I think they're like $2.50 usually. I don't know. There was some sort of savings. I know that much. They also have these pork chops marked down, which I need for a recipe as well. These are just silver platter boneless pork loin center cut chops, and they were 10 for $10. So I'm going to use half of them and then freeze half of them. Then I got some more hamburger meat. I just used up our last thing of it last night, the night before, I don't remember. But this is the Kroger ground beef, and we get the 80% lean. It's just what we prefer. There's not much left. Then I got this pack of peaches. They're Kroger brand. It's 2 pounds of peaches, and they were like $1.99 or $1.29. I thought that was a pretty good deal. Then I got myself some honey bunches of oats. I got grandma. Give me 1 second. Okay, we have Snoopy joining us. Say hi, Snoop. Hi. I know. You smell your chicken nuggets. So then I got her these grape nuts. She likes grape nuts. And then I got myself 2 containers of Ovaltine, because this is my favorite. I also got milk. Where'd I put the milk? Did I leave the milk in the car? I left my milk in the car. I got a gallon of 2% milk. But yeah, so that's all I got. I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, please leave me some suggestions for my eye. If you guys have any video suggestions, you can leave those in the comments down below. Any comments, concerns, thoughts, whatever, you can leave those, and I will chat with you all. Sorry about the fuzziness of my camera today. I was like a little scratch or something on my lens, just making it fuzzy. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I have a new camera coming. I just ordered one, so I'm excited to try it out, and hopefully the camera quality will increase some. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload 4 times a week, every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I think that's it for today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.